Hello everyone, welcome to Data in Nutshell. In this video, we are going to see how we can delete emails in bulk from your Gmail account. So for example, if this is the case of your Gmail account where in the Gmail you have 6.8 GB of data, right? And you know that majority of emails are spam or not related to your work, or you have to delete it. Then in that case, Google gives an option to clean up your space. But there is an issue with this. If I go and click on this, right, this will give me options to delete data from Gmail, Google Drive or Google Photos because the memory is shared by these three products as of now. If I go and click on Gmail, then in that case, it will give me options to delete with the help of three segmentations. Like for example, if it has large attachments, emails in trash or any spam emails. Let's check out a new way how to delete all the emails based on the size of the email. This is our tool where we have to set the start date and end date. So this date range is only for sample size. For example, I am taking a quarter or a month and I'm going to see what is the scenario of the email size based on the emails that we are getting from, right? So for example, in this case, I'm going to select from January 1 to maybe 15th of January. And I'll click on fetch emails. It will fetch all the emails and their subject as well as the size of the emails in these three columns. Once we get the data in column A, B and C, then in column G and H, I have created a pivot which will basically sort the email addresses by the sum of their email size, like this. Right? So total emails in this date range is 63, but total unique emails are only 24. And we have summed up the email size and converted into the percentage contribution. So this is a trial account. That's why it is showing only 2 emails contributing to approximately 76%. But if we have a huge account, definitely there will be a lot of spam. So like in this case, we have this email address and this is the contribution and I want to delete it, right? So just I have to click on the checkbox and you can check, like you can click on multiple checkboxes. In this video, I'm only taking one. And before that, let's go to the Gmail and we only have one email in this. Okay, let's go and click on delete email. As we can see that it has mentioned that deleted. So we'll go to the email and again we are going to refresh it and you will see that there is no email as of now, right? So with the help of this Google Sheet, you can delete your unnecessary non-related emails or spam emails in bulk by looking at the email address as well as the size of the emails that you are receiving from. And I hope this will definitely help to clean up your Gmail. This Google Sheet will get more tabs, for example, fetch all emails, autoresponder, auto create labels with some conditions, and many more to come. I request to bookmark this Google Sheet because this will be your one-stop solution for any type of Gmail automation. And for any customized request, please do let us know. You can email us at pbtcchina@gmail.com. Thank you very much.